Hi, today I'm going to be showing you a Temu coupon code that can get you up to $100 in coupon bundles. So from Temu here, you want to go to the U section down here. On the U section down here, you want to go to coupons and offers. Just tap on that. Now in coupons and offer, you can see right now there's a $300 coupon bundle right here, right? So even more than $100. So just tap on get right there and then it'll buffer. Give it out a well, and then there you go. Now we can use a gift with purchase around a $300 coupon bundle like this, right? So we can review this, buy one item to get, and then after buying one item, we'll get a $300 coupon bundle. It'll show up as a couple of animation here. So $300 coupon plus 1000% back. So there you go, like this. Discover 5 extra coupons, all of these, you can see. So from here, you can just grab for free, finish all of these animation, and then just claim your $300 coupon bundle. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.